I've been exploring the Bank of America's My Financial Picture service for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of it. First, let's talk about what My Financial Picture actually is. It's a Bank of America's digital tool designed to give you a comprehensive view of your finances, all in one place. Whether you're juggling multiple checking accounts, credit cards, investments, or even accounts at other banks, My Financial Picture brings everything together so you can see the big picture. Think of it as your personal financial dashboard designed to help you track, plan, and make smarter money decisions. Now let's talk about how it actually works. Once you log into your Bank of America online banking, you'll find My Financial Picture right in the dashboard. The setup is pretty straightforward. You can link your external accounts like savings, credit cards, loans, and even investment accounts from other banks or brokerages. The tool pulls in your balances and transactions automatically, so you don't have to log into a dozen different sites just to see where you stand. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're managing finances across multiple institutions. One of the standout features is its spending and budgeting tracker. My Financial Picture automatically categorizes your transactions, so whether you're spending on groceries, dining out, or paying bills, you get a clear breakdown of where your money is going each month. This makes it super easy to spot trends, set budgets, and identify areas where you might want to cut back. And if you're someone who likes to set savings goals, you can create custom goals and track your progress right from the dashboard. Additionally, another really useful aspect is its net worth tracker. My Financial Picture calculates your total assets and liabilities, giving you a real-time snapshot of your net worth. This is especially helpful if you're working toward a big financial milestone, like buying a home or planning for retirement. So basically, you can see how your net worth changes over time, which is a great motivator to stay on track. Now let's talk about its security aspect. Bank of America uses strong encryption and security protocols to keep your data safe, even when you're linking external accounts. And you're always in control of what you share, and you can unlink accounts at any time if you change your mind. However, there are some cons to consider. For instance, while My Financial Picture is a powerful tool, it's not a full-fledged financial advisor. It won't make investment recommendations or tell you exactly what to do with your money. But it does give you the information you need to make smarter decisions. Additionally, depending on your other banks or investment firms, there might be occasional syncing delays or missing transaction details, but overall, the integration is pretty smooth. To sum it up, Bank of America's My Financial Picture is a solid choice if you want a simple and centralized way to view and manage your finances. However, you should consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.